Hello everyone, welcome to Nuer Tube. My name is Kosnyak. In today's video I am going to share with you how to create a Gmail. I'm going to share my screen with you here, so bear with me a minute. Okay, and simply share. Okay, this is what we're laughing. Okay, let's do this. This is what we are going to see. Okay, here on this browser we are going to type Gmail just as a URL, gmail.com. okay, or you can simply type google.com, but I would prepare gmail.com. so enter that. After when you press enter, this screen will come up, right? And then you can choose between logging in as a person who already have an ID or creating a new account. So it is your choice. You can click any of these choice that you want to use. So if you are new here, simply you need to create account. Just click create, and then when you click create, this option will come where it will ask you whether you are opening an account for personal use or for child or for work or business. So what I would want you to do is simply click for my personal use only if you are using it for your personal use instead of business. So this is what will happen. Under first name you are going to type your name. Let's say Daniel, and then last name is optional. It means that you cannot fill it if you don't want, but I'm going to fill it anyway. You can put John. Okay, remember that. So the next move here, okay, what you can do next is simply click next. You have to click this one, next. Okay, so you wait for that. On this page here, it asks us about the basic information. We need to enter our birthday or your birthday and gender. The month, they simply put March, and then 4, and then let's put 1999. okay, and your gender, you can choose between. If you are female, you click female. If you are male, you click male. If you don't want to indicate your gender, so you can simply click this one, or you can customize. So for me, I'm a male, I will simply click male. After you finish on this page, you finish filling up this, you can simply press next here. You can click next, and the next we're gonna ask you about how you sign in. Okay, create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. This is where you're gonna put the name that you want your Gmail to be. This is like your the account name that you're going to be using for logging in YouTube or in a Gmail account. So you can simply put Daniel John if you want to, and then you add something. Let's simply put it 2024 from there. When you finish, you click next. Okay, it will check for us whether this name is available or it is already taken. It will simply click that. Okay, now we are going to see still, all right, the username is taken. Try it another one. You can see it from here. It means that it's already been taken. Okay, if you put something, then you put another 4 here, and then click next. You're gonna see yeah, you see it gave us suggestion that username is taken. Try another. Available is DJ513. okay, let's click that one. That is also an email address. If you agree, you click next. Okay, it will, or it already accept the name that we given to this email address. So here it's gonna ask you create your password, confirm your password, and so on. So after this point, you can proceed and do more. That's it. After you finish, then you can go in and log in. Then you simply close it again, because this is simply a tutorial on how to create an email account. It's simply stop this.